in the most rarest of the rare situation, tell me, in today's date, should it be legal for a person to do 4 marriages? Should it be legal to marry under 18 years old? In matters of succession and inheritance, should it be allowed for females to have less than half than that of the male relatives? Should it be legal that Muslim women cannot claim maintenance like the rest of the Indian women? Why this is even acceptable? Namaskar, Assalamu Alaikum, and a very frenetic afternoon to one and all present over here. Today I stand here firmly to speak for the motion that Uniform Civil Code in India will bring uniformity in personal laws and promote equality. Before the start, with the permission of the speaker, sir, I'd like to introduce the bill to the House. In 1948, when the Constitution of India was framed and the values of pluralism was being discussed, the one issue of social reform became a bone of contention. It divided the Constituent Assembly for months, but they could not bring any consensus, and in result, they compromised. Do you know what the compromisation was all about? It was about Uniform Civil Code, the UCC, one common civil code for all. It meant that it would abolish all the personal laws. Now, what are personal laws? Laws that are based on religious texts, all based on that regulate every aspect of life. Honorable Speaker, let me tell you, these laws were discriminatory from day one, discriminatory, derogatory, unfair to all the vulnerable section of the world, and especially women. For example, the Sharia law had provisions that deprived women from inheritance. Certain Hindu customs deprived women from remarriage, etc., etc. So what we asked today is to limit and abolish those laws. We want laws that are applicable to all citizens irrespective of their religion, gender, or any sexual orientation. But, Honorable Speaker, my opposition bench will come up with their arguments. Honorable Speaker, today I will not argue. Today I will explain why I am right. Today I will explain why this bill needs consideration. Honorable Speaker, sir, let's talk about the economic aspect. With the world's 5th largest economy in the world and a population that has just surpassed China, India bears increased responsibility to ensure the well-being and progress of all, especially women, as it accounts 9% of the global female population, and hence it is India's duty to remove masculine dominance from all spheres. Honorable Speaker, sir, the opposition might bring out very smartly and make us believe that unifying the law is a fiendishly tough job. They will create a picture which will not be true. But Honorable Speaker, sir, let me give you the real picture. The only fear here is that it would diminish their authority. They will say that it's a threat to religious freedom, but is it so? Honorable Speaker, sir, for instance, let's talk about the US Constitution. It says all men are created equal. Just imagine if Thomas Jefferson had said all white men are created equal, will America's history will be same as today? No, right? But it was not. They had uniform law, they had equal law for all. All men are treated equal under one law. But Honorable Speaker, sir, this is not the case in India. Laws here are based on religion, caste, gender, and even geography. Just giving the name of preserving diversity, I don't understand why are people questioning diversity. Diversity comes with unity. Diversity will only come when there is unity. Without unity, diversity is just a chaos. And for my opposition, maybe chaos will bring harmony in the society. Honorable Speaker, sir, coming to rights and equality. Will a Muslim board, which is run by all men and clerics, is going to give rights to the Muslim women? Through the Speaker, sir, I request my opponents to not use British propaganda of divide and rule and segregate this society. This world needs unity. They don't need frictions and division in the society, because British have done enough of divide and rule. It is sad for India that it continues even after independence, and that is the Britishers left, but their practices remained. Honorable Speaker, sir, talking about some case verdicts, this was 3 decades back. Many Shah cases, many court battles over personal laws, many petitions for uniform civil code was fought. But nobody is questioning that. Honorable Speaker, let me tell you that If we see many Islamic countries that have reformed their personal laws, such as Turkey, Morocco, Jordan, etc., yet the question I want to ask my opponent is, if those Islamic countries can reform in just their society, then why not India? If Western countries like US can follow common civil code, then why not India? Why is India living under laws that are passed before independence? The question today is not only political, the question today is legal. Honorable Speaker, I repeat, the question today is not only political, but it is legal. Hence, in conclusion, I would say there are biasness and inequality in every faith of India. Do not raise question on the bill, raise the standard of where you are living. Diversity, we always preserve diversity comes with unity, and unifying these codes will help bringing uprising this diversity. Hence, in conclusion, I would say uniform civil code only means.
Your time is over, please.
I'll just conclude by saying uniform civil code only means uniform application of laws and not uniformity in culture and laws. With this, I'd like to rest my case but not my cause. Thank you so much.